Welcome to this step-by-step ASP.NET Core tutorial for beginners. Whether you are brand new to web development or just getting started with the .NET Core, you are in the right place. In this video, we will guide you from the basics to building your first ASP.NET Core application with complete clarity. Here is what we will cover in this video. We will start by understanding what ASP.NET Core is and why it is so powerful for modern development. Then we will set up your development environment and walk through building your first project step by step. Before we begin, make sure you have the tools ready. You will need Visual Studio or VS Code, the latest .NET SDK installed, and a browser to test your app. Don't worry, I will guide you through each step even if you are not familiar with all these tools. So, why should you learn ASP.NET Core? It is fast, secure, cross platform, and backed by Microsoft. That means you are learning a future proof framework used by companies all over the world for building scalable and secure web applications. Now that you are set up and ready, let us dive into the practical part. We will create a new project, understand the folder structure, and then build and run your very first ASP.NET Core web application. Welcome to ASP.NET and SQL Academy. In this video, we are diving into how to add and use Bootstrap in your ASP.NET Core project. Bootstrap is one of the most popular front-end frameworks that makes it easy to build responsive and attractive UIs. By the end of this session, you will know how to integrate a Bootstrap using a CDN, add JavaScript bundles, apply Bootstrap classes, and understand how Bootstrap makes responsive design effortless. Before jumping into implementation, let us talk about why Bootstrap is a go-to choice. It offers ready-made components like forms, buttons, and navigation bars, all fully responsive and customizable. It helps developers focus more on functionality than styling from scratch. Bootstrap also has strong documentation and a large developer community, making it easy to get help and examples. Now, let us add Bootstrap to your ASP.NET Core project. We will use the CDN method, which is fast and easy. Open your layout.cshtml file. This file acts as the main layout for all pages in your application. Inside the head section, paste the Bootstrap CSS link from the official CDN. This approach avoids local file downloads and ensures you always have the latest version. Here is how it looks in code. After adding the CSS, you will Also need the Bootstrap JavaScript bundle for dynamic features like modals, drop-downs, tooltips. Place the script tag right before the closing body in layout CS HTML. This ensures your HTML is rendered before any JavaScript runs, improving performance. The bundle includes popper.js, which Bootstrap uses internally. This step is crucial for interactivity. Let us create a simple razor page to test Bootstrap. Use a container to center content, row to align horizontally, and column MD6 to take half the screen on medium or larger device. The text primary class changes the color of the text, and button success gives us a green button. These classes help you quickly build responsive and styled layouts. We will view this in the browser to see Bootstrap in action. Bootstrap makes form styling a breeze. The form control class gives inputs a consistent look, and MB3 adds spacing. Using form label makes labels stand out properly. Even without custom CSS, your forms will look clean and modern. Bootstrap's grid system is based on 12 columns and responsive breakpoints. You can build complex layouts that adjust automatically across devices. For example, column MD6 takes 6 columns on medium screens and stacks on smaller screens. This is one of the Bootstrap's biggest advantages. Let us add a basic navigation bar using Bootstrap's navbar component. This gives you a responsive menu that collapses into a hamburger menu on mobile. You can easily add links, drop downs, and even forms inside the navbar. You can customize Bootstrap with third-party themes like Bootstrap for a different look without extra effort. You can also include Bootstrap icons for buttons and UI elements. For advanced styling, Bootstrap allows SCSS customization. If things don't look right, make sure your script is at the bottom. Also, check for conflicting styles from other CSS files. Use browser developer tools to inspect elements and verify which styles are being applied. Always test in different screen sizes. Let us quickly recap. We learned how to integrate Bootstrap into an ASP.NET Core project using CDN links, how to include the JavaScript bundle, how to use Bootstrap classes in your razor views, and how to build a responsive layout with ease. Bootstrap can truly speed up your UI development and give your app a professional look. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow developers. Try building a sample ASP.NET Core app using Bootstrap. It is the best way to learn. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more ASP.NET and SQL tutorials.